I'll never tell, never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as
Hey guys, good morning. So it is 8th of December and it's currently 9 a.m. In today's video, I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the day and show you guys how my day look like. For today, I have a little bit already planned. I have to go and get my haircut and hair color done. I have to get a shoot done at home, and that is just for a few pictures, and then I also need to shoot a transition reel from this long hair to my short hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll come home and probably do my workout, and yeah, let's see how that goes. I hope you guys like it, and I'm pretty new in this thing, so please forgive me if I make any mistakes, but yeah, let's go.
I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true.
Honestly, I love to have eggs and toast for breakfast, but I keep on switching between a few things. And of course, chai is a must. Comment down below, what do you like for breakfast? Or are you a chai person or a coffee person? So I'm gonna wear this. I did not wash my hair today because I know they are going to wash it anyways. So yeah, ready. Now I'll quickly do my makeup and then I'll leave. I think I'm already late. Doing my brows here, I'm going for a very basic everyday makeup look today. I feel brows are so important. It can instantly make you look so much more polished and clean. And even on the days when I'm not wearing makeup, I just do my eyebrows and I feel so much better. Now I'm applying an SPF, which is very important again, guys. Always wear an SPF. And applying some concealer. These days I'm loving the Iba concealer. It's great for oily skin people.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
And here comes my sister. She came in here to get ready for her class and she had no idea I was shooting this video. She also has a YouTube channel where she makes really fun travel vlogs. You guys should definitely check it out. And here is a very candid conversation of us. Shut up. ये मैंने तेरे लिए क्रीम बनाया है. क्या है? बहुत अच्छा क्रीम. डे क्रीम.
Feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
तू कहाँ जा रही है? क्लास. मैं मेडिकल से वो ला रही हूँ. Razors. Doing my hair. my hair too, dude, and my beard.
Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
I'm so excited to get my hair color done, and as soon as I reached they all were pretty ready, so we just started with the pre-lightening and later on they colored my hair. I'll show you the entire process.
You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets too. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Oh, it's true. Oh, it's true. It's true. Oh, it's true. Oh, it's true. Oh, it's true. Oh, it's true. It's true. Oh, it's true. Oh, it's true.
And I'm going back home, and this is how the hair looks in natural light. It took us more than 5 hours to get this done, and it takes so much of patience to sit, but it's totally worth it.
These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before. And
So guys, I'm back home and I'm really liking this new hair color. Let me know in the comments, do you like this color more or do you like the previous hair more? Let me know in the comments. And I have also done my makeup. After coming home, I have done the liner and I've also applied some eyeshadow, and I'm gonna click a picture because I need to post it on Instagram. Alright, so I'm done with my shoot and now I have changed as well. I know I've changed a lot today, but yeah, now I have changed for my workout and I'll take you guys with my workout, but before that I'll remove my makeup.
just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell.
So as soon as I washed my face, I saw my mom making my favorite fried rice. I asked her if I can shoot. She already had done the preparation, so I shot whatever I could. Here she is frying the chicken. It was marinated in salt and ginger garlic paste, and then again after removing the chicken she added some more ginger garlic and some carrots. These are finely chopped carrots, and basically you can use any vegetables you have. She has also added onions, capsicum, French beans, cabbage, whatever you like. You can also add some broccoli, mushrooms. And then she mixed everything up and then added the seasoning, that is the salt and the spice mix. So here she's adding salt and then she used this spices. And then she added some water to help the veggies cook and then cover it for about 4 to 5 minutes and then let it simmer. And until then I chopped the chicken in small pieces. You can also shred the chicken, and then after 4-5 minutes added the same in the vegetables. And at this point she also added some soy sauce, and she had already boiled some rice, so she added them as well. And then cover and cook for about 4-5 minutes and the fried rice is ready. I really like this version of fried rice because it's healthy and it tastes really nice. So yeah, definitely give it a try, and if you do, let me know how it turned out. So guys, I washed my face and now I'm really
confused, should I do my workout or not, because I feel super tired. Like I feel like I should just eat and go to sleep right now. My eyes have turned red because of so many lights. I was shooting in my room. There were so many lights when in the hair salon, so I'm really second guessing if I should work out or not. I think I should skip today and maybe work out tomorrow, because today my body is asking me to just shut down and go to sleep. Anyways, I think it's okay. It's okay to let some days just be. I know I have changed and I need to change back again. Anyways, so yeah, that was it. Now I'll probably have my dinner and go to sleep, because there's nothing better to do now. I want to edit one video, I want to edit one picture, but I think I'll do that in the morning as well, and just eat and go to sleep right now. So yeah, if you have watched this video, guys, I will just shut this video now. If you watched this video until now, thank you so much for watching it, and let me know if you would want more such videos, and I'll be happy to vlog. So yeah, with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. And with that said, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more, every show